Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus wheel bearing. First, park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on, but don't remove them yet. Safely lift the vehicle with a jack and secure it with jack stands. Now, you can fully remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Once the wheel is off, you'll need to remove the brake caliper and rotor. Hang the caliper securely so it's not dangling by the brake line. Next, remove the large axle nut and any bolts holding the steering knuckle in place. You might need a pry bar to separate the knuckle from the strut. With the knuckle free, you can now access the old wheel bearing for removal. Before installing the new bearing, make sure the hub assembly is clean and free of debris. Carefully press the new wheel bearing into the steering knuckle using a specialized bearing press tool. It's crucial to ensure the bearing is seated perfectly flush. Reconnect the steering knuckle to the strut and secure all bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, reattach the brake rotor and caliper, making sure everything is aligned correctly. Tighten the axle nut to the recommended torque. Put the wheel back on, hand tightening the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, take your Ford Focus for a short test drive to ensure everything feels right and there are no unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.